Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Karen. And today I'm excited to share a cool design and straightforward jewelry making method that works both for men and women. And many of my subscribers have mentioned how I make the steps look easy. And that's exactly my goal. I want you to create jewelry at home that you love, wear every day, and can make without spending too much time. For today's project, I will be using 10mm rainbow obsidian beads and a 925 sterling silver dragon charm, which features a detailed and unique design that looks like it's ready to soar. And we also need 0.8 mm flat elastic cord, black color, and of course a longer open end needle. It's about 3 inches. And then a wrist gauge to measure your wrist size. Sounds simple, right? Let's dive in. Typically, I make sample bracelets around 6.5 inches, which fits most wrist sizes for my customers. And starting by cutting an elastic cord about 40 inches long, fold it in half once, and then in half again, to create 4 cords. Now thread the needle and add the obsidian beads. Using 4 cords for the 10mm beads will enhance durability, but if the bead holes are small, you can use 2 or 3 cords, just like with the amber beads. Now let's add the charm and the remaining beads. Measure the wrist size. Once you are done, remove the needle. See 2 loops over here, and then thread the end loop of the cord through the 2 loops of the bracelet. Now pull all the beads down to the loops. And tie 2 knots. 1. And 2. No need to pull too hard. Just use gentle pressure. Before cutting the excess cord, leave a little length to avoid cutting it too short. Like this. Give the knot a firm tug to secure it in the bead's hole, like this. And that's it. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy wearing your beautiful bracelet and happy crafting. See you soon. Bye bye.